Get ready, Australia, because the world is about to see you in a whole new light. The legendary Hoonigan Gymkhana series, starring none other than action sports hero Travis Pastrana, is finally heading down under. The new film is called Aussie Shred, and it's a big deal because this is the first time the series has officially landed on Australian soil. You might remember, back in 2016, the late, great Ken Block was supposed to film Gymkhana 9 here, but plans were unfortunately shut down. This time, however, it's a completely different story. Travis Pastrana and the Hoonigan crew got the green light from local authorities, and they filmed in 3 absolutely iconic locations. A new teaser trailer just dropped, giving us a glimpse of the action in Sydney, the legendary Mount Panorama in Bathurst, and the rugged outback of Broken Hill. The full video is set to drop on December 10th, so mark your calendars. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, and I don't just mean Travis. He lines be behind the wheel of a machine that's as Aussie as it gets, the Subaru Brataroo 9500 Turbo. This beast is based on the first-generation Subaru Brat, which many of you will know and love as the Brumby. A short teaser on social media showed this wild ute tearing up the streets, and it looks insane. The Bathurst segment is particularly special. The crew filmed it the day before this year's Bathurst 1000 kicked off. They even collaborated with Supercars, which means we can expect to see some of the series' biggest stars and their race cars making an appearance in the film. Imagine the chaos of the Brataroo sharing the track with V8 Supercars at Mount Panorama. It's going to be epic. If you're a gearhead, you'll want to know what's under the hood of this Brataroo. Hoonigan has a longer video on their YouTube channel detailing the build, and it's a masterpiece of engineering. The body is all custom carbon fiber, wrapped in a stunning livery designed by the famous Khyzyl Saleem. It features a red dust and kangaroo theme, paying homage to Australia. Khyzyl has worked on some incredible projects before, including the TWR Supercat and even Pastrana's previous Gymkhana car, the Family Huckster. But the Brataroo isn't just about looks. It's powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter flat-4 boxer engine that pumps out a mind-blowing 500 kilowatts and over 900 newton-meters of torque. That power is sent to all 4 wheels through a Rallycross-derived SOT 6-speed sequential transmission. This thing is built for pure, unadulterated performance. One of the coolest features of the Brataroo is its active aerodynamics. The front wheel arch vents and the rear wings can actually move to increase or decrease downforce as needed. Knowing Travis Pastrana and his love for getting massive air, you can bet these active aero elements will be put to good use during some insane jumps. We're talking about next-level car control, both on the ground and in the air. This film, Aussie Shred, is also a significant moment for the Gymkhana series. It's the second video to star Travis Pastrana since we suddenly lost the series' founder, Ken Block, in early 2023. Ken created 10 incredible Gymkhana videos that redefined car culture. Plus to more for Audi, Pastrana is carrying that legacy forward, and he's doing it with his own unique style and flair. Aussie Shred is set to be a spectacular tribute and a thrilling new chapter for the series. So, from the city streets of Sydney to the sacred tarmac of Mount Panorama and the vast, open landscapes of Broken Hill, this is going to be a Gymkhana film like no other. It's a celebration of Australian car culture, breathtaking scenery, and the kind of driving that defies belief. Don't forget to check out the full Aussie Shred video when it drops. It's going to be an absolute must-watch. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this preview, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more updates. See you next time.